Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by gathering gear and enabling the right phone features. Plug the Chromecast into power and your TV's HDMI port, then switch the TV to that input. On your phone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so the Home app can detect the device. This is necessary even without internet. Open Google Home, tap to add a device, and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. You do this to create a local connection between phone and Chromecast before creating a network. Once pairing begins, you need a local Wi-Fi network. Create one with your phone or a spare device acting as a hotspot. Name the hotspot and set a password, choose 4 GHz if options exist because Chromecast prefers it. Make sure your casting device and Chromecast both join this hotspot. They must be on the same network. After you connect, return to Google Home to complete setup and apply the hotspot credentials so the Chromecast stores the local network settings. You can now cast. Open a cast-enabled app, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast on the hotspot network. Once done, make sure media plays and control volume from your phone. If it doesn't work, restart the Chromecast by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then reconnect the hotspot and try again. If hotspots are unreliable, use a USB Ethernet adapter or a portable travel router to provide a stable local network. This avoids cellular interference and keeps the Chromecast reachable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.